dead one.
Sure. Whatever. There's a real thick one on that back tree back there if you want it.
What?
See the tree? There's one thick one right there. Yes? Wow.
Hey folks, I just wanted to jump on here and tell you about this Seesii Polesaw chainsaw. This thing is a beast. As you probably saw earlier in the video, I was at Cottontops' house, my mom, and I had just gotten done with my VFW auxiliary meeting, and I was still in my auxiliary shirt, and she wanted me to cut some limbs, and Julie the crazy goat lady decided she would film for me, which I appreciate. But it started raining, and I got like 12 limbs or so cut with this saw on one battery, one charge, and it's still not discharged. Look at this thing. This thing's a beast. Now, I took my tape measure and I measured it from the base to the top, and I don't even have that thing all the way up, and that's a little over 9 feet. So if a regular adult is holding it, it's well over 12 feet, maybe even 14. But this is the box it came in to me, and it says it has a long reach, cordless design, battery operated, eco-friendly. It is very powerful. I have another one of these, a Cobalt, that I wasn't sent. I have, and it's this much more powerful. It comes with two 4,000 milliamp batteries, a charger, an extra blade, chain, a little brush to clean out. It even came with a pair of gloves. It came with this little tiny eyedropper looking bottle to put oil in, but I found this difficult to get the oil in there, so I used a syringe. I tried pouring my oil straight from the bar and chain oil, and it got all over, so I have a syringe I use. Has a carry strap, which I did not use, and a blade cover. Some instructions that would have been nice to read, but of course I didn't. But man, this thing's a beast though. Cordless pruning saw, and you can either use it with this long extension, and they're spring loaded, so you don't have to pull them in and out. You just undo the clamp and the spring. See, it's fast. Spring drops it down. I don't know how good I'm showing you. It's already fallen. I'm trying to control it so it doesn't crush my fingers. But anyway, so it can be a little 4 or 5 foot long, or it can be 9 feet long. And I like that you can put the battery on the pole, or you can put the battery on the saw. Let me show you. Hold on. I really should have planned this out better. I didn't put the camera on a tripod, but this is it. And it's pretty cool. Let me show you. You just push the button on the side, pull the trigger. You can hear it. It's got a lot of torque. And let me set the camera over here. I don't know if you'll be able to see me. It'll be crooked. But anyway, this is a Seesii power tool. I'm going to put a link in the description below to their Amazon store. Now they also have a discount code for 8% off for our viewers. So we would like to thank Seesii for sponsoring this video. I don't like YouTube commercials or channels that are just a commercial. So if I'm going to review an item, it's because I'm using it. So I hope you guys appreciate that as much as I do, because I can't stand the 30-minute video just on an item. I use this thing to cut limbs at my mama's house and also here. And I'm going to use it again and again. I do need to clean it. I need to use that brush and clean it out. But thank you, Seesii, for this. And just one more tool for the homestead. You guys know my total belief is it's not hoarding if it's tools. Bye-bye. All right, say boo-bye.
Super Dad, signing off.
Yeah.